7 years ago today, I started a small YouTube channel called Audi C7 Owners, and today I'm ending it. Now don't worry, nothing you love about this channel is going anywhere. It's still going to be the same content, the same cars, the same DIYs that you know and can expect to come from me, including the same mistakes that I make along the way. Back in 2019, I realized that there was a need to fill the void for C7 related content on YouTube. So I literally picked up my cell phone and said, what the heck, let's give it a shot. And I started filming DIYs. That turned into something I never would have imagined possible here 7 years later. Over the years, this channel has brought together an incredible community. I've been able to make lifelong friends. I've developed partnerships with companies that are massive in the Volkswagen Audi community, and I've been able to work with a lot of those companies to not only design, but to develop and bring to market products for us, the community and the end users. And to say that I can do that is something that I think is really rare when it comes to people that decide to start a YouTube channel. I never dreamed that turning wrenches in my garage would lead to opportunities like that. But Audi C7 Owners was built around one platform, and the channel has grown beyond that. It's time for a change. I'd like to officially welcome you to the first video from Garage Taught. Garage Taught represents what this channel really is. Learning by doing, turning wrenches in your garage and learning like every other enthusiast, watching YouTube videos, reading the forums, making mistakes, and making your way through it until it works for you. Nothing about the content is going to change. It's going to be the same cars, the same installs, the same honest takes and reviews, just on a platform designed to grow and scale with time. And that's what Garage Taught is going to be. Now, having said that, I do have a ton of older content that I filmed over the past year that I want to bring to you guys. It's really good stuff, but you might see a video here and there occasionally referring to myself as Audi C7 Owners still, but with the Garage Taught logo associated with it. 2026 brings a lot of exciting things for the channel, including doing everything I can to get my car back to Alex at AM Tuned for the full turbo conversion. Something I've been trying to save up for a couple years, and I'm really trying to do everything I can this year to make it happen. On top of that, we plan on being at Alpine Bulks Fair, and we're going to be hosting another Audi pre-meet at Low Show in September, and I hope I get to see you guys there. Got a lot of exciting things planned for those events. Before I wrap this up, I want to thank two groups of people. First, the channel partners who believed in me and trusted me to represent their brands as we've gone through the years developing and bringing content to the community. I could not have done this without you. Thank you for your trust and your support. The second group I want to thank, and the most important group, is you guys, the viewers. Without every view, every comment, every like, every question, this channel would not exist, and I wouldn't be here continuing to do this. I truly can't thank you guys enough for your support over the years, starting with my OG guys in 2017, all the way to the new followers in 2026. Thank you guys so much. I'm really excited for what the future holds for the channel, and I can't wait to bring you guys along with me for the journey ahead. So, for the first time ever, from Garage Taught, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.